All right, so as you all can see, a very sad news have hit the industry, the passing of Mr. Ibu. So Mr. Ibu went in for surgery today at 4 a.m. and he didn't come out again from the surgery. What is funny is that they went in for this surgery. I don't know. They didn't contact the people that are close to him, because I asked somebody and he said he was not informed. And this is somebody that it was beside him throughout the period that he was in the hospital. You know, he said he was not informed, and then by 6 o'clock, boom, they called him and they told him that Mr. Ibu don't buy. All I can say is a lot of things may have said online about the whole issue. Now let me know what I don't see. Now let me know what me I don't hear. So I'm not gonna come out and start talking now. He don't buy. To me, he already buy since. You understand? Based on what I saw. To me, it already buy before, it already buy since. So it was just managing. It's so sad. Another advice I can give in this regard is that men, you have to be really careful. Women, you have to be really careful of a polygamous home. Men and women, it's not even only about men. Men and women, be careful about polygamy. Some of them will be the end of you. For men, if you're successful, try as much as possible to be careful of women that you bring into your life. And women as well, be careful of getting deceived by a man that is already a family man. You understand? That's the only thing I can say as to an advice. You understand? Lastly, all of us go by. All of us go by at the end of the day. Mr. Ibu went through a lot. For the short period that I went to that hospital, I'll tell you for free, went through a lot. The family were not really supportive. That one I know for a fact. They were not supportive at all. For crying out loud, when I leave person for hospital, they go drag money for outside. This life. The best thing that you can ever happen to you is to have a good family around you. Now leave family, now leave person, they no cater, go they drag money, hey, they arrest this one, they arrest that one, they arrest that one. You understand? Not pointing accusing finger on anybody, but I will say that the man had a very terrible family. It's emotional, to be very honest. I'm emotional because the guy is a legend. But then again, they're all gonna buy at the end of the day. So rest in peace to Mr. Ibu. A lot of us that genuinely love you. And then whatever thing that happened to you, by the grace of God, the people, everybody that made your life or live in hell would actually, you know what, just rest in peace. Rest in peace, Mr. Ibu.